Riemann How Tong Sui. This is your teacher, Mr. Brown. We're doing our fourth recorded session for students in grades 5 and 6 on our Chinese series on families. So today we're going to be revising how to name people in our families. We're going to go over those names for different members of our families again. We're going to also look at numbers. So today I want us to take a look at two-digit numbers and how to say them. So we'll be doing that. Very first of all, though, I'm going to get Rudi to come up here and he's going to start talking about his family. So just a moment, I'll go get Rudi right now. I'll put my guitar away too. Okay, I have Rudi here. Ni hao tong sui. Jiao Rudi. Now, Rudi, you've been very busy. So, Rudi, what have you been doing? Oh, hang on. That's right. You've been putting names on your people in your family. So let's have a look. Can you tell us about your family again? 这是我. So this is me. 这是我. 这是我的爸爸. So this one's your father. Let's have a look here. 这是我的妈妈. So next to his dad is his mum. And then you have older brother over here. 这是我的哥哥. Okay. Then we have next to your older brother is your older sister. 这是我的姐姐. So we have 姐姐, older sister. Now we have over here younger sister. 这是我的妹妹. And who's this handsome looking orangutan here? 这是我. Okay. Now, if I've gone a little bit too quick, that's okay. We're going to go over the specific names for family members in a moment. But right now, Rudi, you have all these names underneath of different people in your family. I need to go to the side here so we can see. Okay. I'm going to ask Rudi, who is this in Chinese? So it's 他是谁? So, who is this? 他是谁? And now Rudi's going to answer what this person's name is. Now, we have under here this his sister's older sister's name's Sui Li. So let's have a look. 他是谁? 他叫 Sui Li. So jiao means called or named. So 他叫. So 他叫 Sui Li. Oh, good. Now, who's this? 他是谁? 他叫盖文. So his older brother's name is Kai Wen. 他是谁? 他叫罗斯. So his mother's name is 罗斯. 他是谁? 他叫叶焕. His dad's name, Baba, 叶焕. 对，我的爸爸叫Ye Huan. Oh, well done. Okay. So his father's name is Ye Huan. 他是谁? 他是我. This is me. 我叫 Rudi. Ah, Rudi. Is that Chinese for Rudi? 对. Okay. 他是谁? 他叫 Lucy. So this is Lucy. This is his younger sister, his 妹妹. 我的妹妹. 我的妹妹叫 Lucy. Okay, well done. Okay, you've done really well, Rudi. Okay, well, we're going to put this away. Now, Rudi, I'm going to introduce a few things to people. Would you be able to help me do that? Do it. Okay, so we have some cards here. Now, we're going to test all our grade 5-6 students. See if they can remember this. Now, we just had a look at our picture before of Rudi's. Can you remember in Chinese the name for mum? Do you think they can? You have to think about it. Okay, let's see. I reckon they can. Let's see. Mama. Okay. Do you remember the word for dad? Okay, you do. Do they? Okay, let's see. Baba. I'll hold it closer to the camera. Baba. Okay. Do you guys remember the word for younger sister? Okay, let's see if they remember. 妹妹, 妹妹. Okay, do you remember the word for younger brother? 弟弟, 弟弟. Did you remember? Oh, that's okay. Well, as long as they remember, that's good. Do you remember the word for older sister? You do? Okay. 姐姐, 姐姐. Okay. Do you remember the word for Mr. Cool, older brother? 哥哥, 哥哥. 2 to go. Do you remember the word for me or I? Not me personally, but you guys. If you're going to say I or me, do you remember what you need to say? 我, 我. Okay. And lastly, do you remember the word for family? Do you remember? Okay. What is it? Okay, I think you're right. Let's have a look. 家, 家, 我的家. Actually, that's not your family. 不我的家. Okay, no, it's not your family at all. Okay, well, time for you to say see you later. 再见. And now I'm going to, oh, thank you very much, Rudi. 对不起. Okay, so I'm going to get out some numbers now that we're going to use. So, let me have a look, just a second. Okay, everyone, I have some numbers here. We've been looking at these numbers at school, so let's go through these very quickly. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we know these are 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's nice and easy, isn't it? Those strokes, that makes it really easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, just below, I've got the numbers from 11 to 19. So let's have a look. And the pattern is still the same. We actually have sh at the very front. So when we're doing numbers in the teens, as you remember from school, it's usually 10 and then the next number, which is what these numbers are. 11 is 10 and 1. 12 is 10 and 2. So 11, 12. Then 13, 10 and 3. 13. Then 14 for 14, 10 and 4. And we'll just continue. 15, 16. 17, 18, 19. Now something happens when we get to 20. I'm going to draw it for you. So the very first thing that happens is we start 20 with the character for 2. Just here. Then we have the character for 10, which is just going to be here. Sure. I'll just write it down underneath. Sure. And I'm going to write the number 20 next to it in the numbers that we use. Sure. Okay. When you're starting to look at 2-digit numbers in Chinese, you actually need 3 characters most of the time. Let me show you. So for starters, if I was going to do the number 30, I'm just going to write 30 and 40 here, just in the numbers we use. 30 and 40. Now, for these ones we only need 2 characters because it is just, you're writing 3 tens, 三十, which is 3 tens, 三十, and then we have 4 tens. 40. So I'll just write 40. Okay. 30, 40. And can you guess what 50 would be? It's going to be 5 tens, which is 50. So 50. There we go. 50. Okay. Now, if I'm going to make a number that's got, say, That's not a multiple of 10. So all of these ones are multiples of 10s. So you're going to have 30, 30, 3 tenths, 40, 40, 4 tenths, and it goes on and on. So when you get to 80, 80, 8 tenths, 90, 90, 9 tenths. But if I was going to do a number like 88, it changes a little bit. We're going to have 8 tens, 80, so there's 80 for 88, and now I need another bar for another 8. 88. So when you have some of these characters here that you need for these 2-digit numbers, you're actually going to need 3 characters. 80, which is 8 tens and 8. In a similar way, the number 74, very special number if you're born in that year. Number 74 starts with 70 for 7 tens. Now you need the 4. 74. So there we are. 74. I'm going to do one more and then we'll finish. Okay, everyone? So let's pick out another number. I reckon the number 46. It's just how old I'm turning this year, so it might be a good number to do. So 46. You're going to start with S for 4. S for 4, but to represent these 4 tens, this is a maths lesson, believe it or not. To represent these 4 tens, we need S, sh, and now we need the 6. That's it. Okay, everyone, well done. Now, what I've got for you guys is on Google Classroom. If you go to there, just underneath where I've put this lesson, there will be a 5-question quiz on 2-digit numbers. So I'd like you to have a go at that. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. Zaijian from me, Zaijian from Rudi, and have a great week. I will see you next week. Zaijian.